Have you ever planned your day so perfectly until you be like, tomorrow will be a very busy day for me, and then tomorrow comes, it's 2 p.m. and you haven't even studied even one thing. I'm a victim of that. Well, I was a victim of that. Okay, I just finished reading this Cal Newpot deep work book novel, and let me tell you, it has opened my four eyes. So if you're like struggling with deep work and productivity stuff, this is the one. This book is the one. I haven't read. I've bought others that I haven't read yet, but if I finish them, I will let you guys know. But this book, how can you be productive? So, how can you be productive as a social media manager or a freelancer working from home? I'm going to tell you the 6 ways you can be productive working from home. But first, please subscribe, like this video, and comment down below if you have any freaking questions. I will answer them. If you have any questions or if you want to add anything, tell us down below. So, how can you be productive as a social media manager or a freelancer working from home? First thing you can do is muting your phone or putting it in do not disturb mode. If you do not know how, this is how you can do it. Trust me, I have been working as a social media manager for almost, I think, 4 years now. I can be busy sometimes and I forget how to reply to family members, to reply to someone who, a client, to reply to whatever, because my phone is always on do not disturb mode, because I'm always busy. Like, sometimes I want to be busy, but sometimes I do be busy. And when I do be busy, this is my work phone. So I decided to buy a new phone for put social media accounts for clients in here, because I don't want my phone that I'm recording with right now. It's the one that I use for personal use or to talk to clients, talking to clients and stuff like that. But this is the one that has all the accounts for clients, all the personal informations, because that phone, my family, my friends use it, like take pictures with it and stuff like that. And I don't want personal information from clients to be in just someone that can get it in, anytime. So before you say, okay, now I'm going to start working, please put your phone on do not disturb mode. This will help you be serious in what you're doing and not feel like, oh, I have to reply this text, oh, I have to reply to this whatever. You do not have to do that. You do not have to reply at that particular time. Cal Newpot said, I don't know the actual thing that he said, but he said that they won't die if you reply to them like 1 hour, 2 hours later. If it's not an emergency, they won't die. So reply later, reply after 2 hours when you're done working, when it's your break time. That's when you can reply to them. But before that, put your phone on do not disturb mode, your personal phone. If you're like me and you have your business phone, then that's fine. The second one is put your phone in another room. Like, you've decided you're starting to work your first task of the day, right? So what you do is you take your phone and you put it in the next room, in the sitting room, in the kitchen, whatever the place that you feel comfortable with. That will help you to not be distracted and be like, oh, let me check this something, let me check that, let me check this, let me check that. So help you not, get distracted. When you put your phone in do not disturb mode, or if you feel like do not disturb mode isn't helping you to get in deep work or serious and on the tasks that you're supposed to do, then put your phone on in the next room. The third thing is set a timer. Okay, so this is what has helped me a lot in editing, in making sure that I finish all my tasks in time, is that I put a timer in every task that I'm doing. For example, if my first task of the day is check my email, then I'm pretty sure that checking my email doesn't take 1 hour. So I put my alarm that after 2 hours, it must tell me, so that I know that this task should be done by now. And this will help me, my brain be like, oh, what time has remained? I have to finish this task before that bell rings. Even in Cal Newpot has told me that to do that. So go read this book, bro. It's amazing. The third thing that Cal Newpot taught me, and I'm actually doing it, alert your family members that you're busy. Cal Newpot has described it as tell your friends, your coworkers that you're busy, but for me it's my family members, because my family members tend to actually distract me a lot. So what I do is at around 9, that's when I start working, from 9 in the morning till at 5 p.m. in the afternoon, I do not want any disturbance of any kind. If it's an emergency, that's fine. But if it's not, you are not supposed to come and talk to me and even distract me even in seconds. That will help you a lot in being focused and not being distracted with stuff at home, if you're working from home, that is. I think the fourth one or the fifth one, I'm not sure, I lost count. But the fifth one, I'm guessing, is plan your day ahead of the time. Okay, so what I mean by this is, see, when we wake up in the morning, we tend to be like, I'm tired. For example, before I started this productivity journey, I was all over the place. When I say all over the place, I mean I used to wake up at 10, exercise till 1:30, Sometimes I exercise, sometimes I just scroll on Instagram, and then after that, be like, oh shit, I haven't submitted a strategy for a client, I haven't posted, I haven't designed a post, I haven't edited my YouTube content, I haven't done that. I was all over the place, and I felt unproductive. I felt like I wasn't serious about my life. I was bored. I was not okay. After a while, I was watching a video on YouTube. I don't know whose video was it I was watching, and the person was like, plan your day ahead, and that made me like be like, oh okay, I think I should be like, he talked more about it, but I just shortened it, and that was like a light bulb in my head. I was like, oh okay, I think that makes sense. I should be doing that. I started researching on task management apps or softwares that I can be using. It's very easy, simple. I don't like complicated stuff. I don't like bougie stuff, like the ones that are expensive and you need to be a corporate or some. I don't even understand that. I chose an app called Anydo. It has been amazing and I love it. Just last week I upgraded myself to premium account because I'm in love with it and I want to continue a relationship with Anydo, and I was like, let me do this. And it wasn't even expensive. It was 30,000 Tanzanian shillings, and I think it's because it was Black Friday sale, and I think because I used it for almost 3 years, and they were like, okay, thank you for premium, for coming to the premium side. It's been amazing since the premium. Even before the premium, you can categorize your work and do it and repeat. So for example, me, I do YouTube shoots, like I video YouTube on Tuesdays, on Wednesdays, and TikTok videos on Tuesdays. So what I do is I did it in repeat, and every Tuesday it brings me an alert that tomorrow or today you're doing TikTok videos, and tomorrow YouTube videos, like things like that. Trust me, if you were someone like me and you have a lot of things to do and you need to plan your day ahead and you need to be productive and finish all your clients' work and your work and your business work, administrative tasks, that's what I mean. So if you're like me and you need to do all that, use Anydo. From my experience, I'm not even getting a commission or anything from this. Sleep and wake up early, like the way you are doing when you were a child. Okay? Do you remember when you were a child, your mom was like, go to bed, and you had to go to bed so that you can wake up tomorrow in the morning to go to school? That's what I mean. Okay, this is not school, but it's something like school because you need to wake up in the morning so that you can work. And sometimes I used to have this mindset in my head that I am more active at night, and during the day I'm just doing whatever, and that made me not sleep 8 hours a day because then my clients work during the day. Okay, my clients don't work at night like me, and they could call me during the day when I'm asleep. That made me like not get the full-time sleeping schedule. I could have a meeting at around 9, or I could have a client wants me to design a poster or design whatever during the day, and then that made me not go back to sleep or maybe stay the whole day up. It made me unproductive. So what I'm trying to say is sleep early, wake up early. It will help you in a long term. For now, right now, I have this habit of me waking up at 4:30, and it has been amazing. But I sleep at around 9ish or 8ish, specifically 9ish, because I tried 8 and it doesn't work. Let me tell you, I accomplished at 5 a.m. At 5 p.m. I'm done with everything. Maybe if I'm lazy that day and I don't want to do anything, then I can prolong it till at 7. But at 5, I'm done with everything. I'm just here watching YouTube videos and Netflix stuff and chilling with my young sisters. But other than that, I'm just chilling. Yeah, so those are 6 things that I do every day to make myself productive, to be productive, to give my 100% to my clients, and to be everywhere that I'm supposed to do. Oh, another thing that it's a bonus tip for me, what I do is I go meet up with clients 2 times a week. Like, I'm not getting out of this house during 80 to go to meet a client. It's either on Monday or on Friday. If you want to book a meeting with me, you need to book either Monday or Friday. That's the only time I get out of this house, like to go meet a client or a business thing. That's the only time. But other than that, I'm not getting out of this house. If I do, then you're paying for the transport. Because then from Tuesdays to Thursday, you're only working on stuff that you need to be here, like batching content, editing clients' content, matching them, scheduling them, making sure that they are all done and everything else is done. So yeah, that's all about productivity and the bonus thing. And other thing, please guys, read this book. If I'm not a reader. I am not. I hate reading. But nowadays I'm learning how to read novels, and this is the first one that I've read and I'm done with it. And I have to say, this book has taught me a lot. If you have a productivity issue in your life and you want a kind of give you ideas on how you can be productive and be in deep work state, this one. If you think I'm lying, just check. I have been underlining it like a crazy mad woman because he has a lot of ideas. He has a lot of ways that he teaches on how you can be productive, and I've been applying it in my working from home things, and I was like, let me make a video for you guys on how you can do this. And that, my friend, is everything that will help you be productive working from home. What remains in this video is subscribing. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe, like this video, and make sure to comment down below and make sure that you let me know what other video ideas that you want me to be doing next. I love you guys. See you in the next one. Bye.